Transport 1 Romeo 289 Hexagon, just for recommendation please.
Transport 56 Kilo, Roger, nucleation 984 hectopascals, I'll put the ready message in for you now.
984 Hexagon, 084 Hexagon.
Goodbye, speaking.
Please turn left heading 27, 0 degrees, descend to altitude 3000 feet, clear and ILS 239. Okay, 4 November, just come to Honda, no more down, no Charlie.
November Charlie, hold November Charlie 1.
November Charlie 1, easy, November Lima.
Engine to ground, Polar 215, Romeo, Alpha Echo, Julius, Alpha.
Polar 215 Romeo ground, taxi Alpha, hold Alpha 4.
Taxi Alpha, hold Alpha 4, Polar 215 Romeo. Singapore 302, contact Talent 118.630, good morning.
18630, Singapore.
Runway 1155, delivery, good morning. Do you anticipate being ready with that off block time at 35?
Yeah, FM off block 35, running 1155. Probably going to be earlier. We almost.
1155, thank you. Just checking with regards to the runway, that's all. But it's capable and then Sonics 1 Yankee departure from runway 23 left, squawk 2217.
34430, bye bye. Approach 134, 430, and 87 is straight by.
Runway 1155, correct.